To create a walkway is very similar to your driveway, but I'm going to show you how to do an organic walkway shape. So go to architecture, go to floor, use the lightweight metal deck, and then go to edit type, duplicate it, make it sidewalk, hit OK. And I'm going to make this one my pavers so it matches. Again, you can change the structure or you can just paint this later on. Okay, so now I'm going to start drawing. So you have options here. I'm going to use the spline tool. And let's say like I wanted a curvy walkway that like wrapped around to like my back door. So you can do that. And then once you're done creating it, just hit enter and then escape and it sets that line into stone. And then you can use offset to offset that at least 3 feet for a sidewalk. And I'm going to click on that. And it makes it that kind of organic shape. And then I can just use like line tools to extend it a little bit. I got to always complete my shape. So it naturally finds that line for you. And then this one didn't quite make it, so I got to finish that. So once you do that, you can hit your green check mark and then always offset it up 1 inch. And that has now created my paver sidewalk.